Hello everyone. In this video, let's learn how to download and install R and RStudios for data analysis. First of all, we have to download R, which is the main programming language for this software. For that, let's go to google.com and write download RStudios. Go to the first website, scroll down and click on download and install R. Download R for Windows. Install R for first time. Now download R for Windows. Start download. Install the R programming. Next, next. The R programming is installed. Now let's download R Studios. For that, let's go to the previous web page. Then click on download R Studios desktop for Windows. Now let's install the R Studios. Now let's open the RStudio software. Let's quickly check if it is working properly or not. For that, go to the console and write 2 plus 2. Now press Ctrl plus Enter. You can see the 4. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe. In the next video, we will learn how to use RStudios for further data analysis. Thank you.